Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Ranita. Today I would like to share a very authentic recipe from my native seasonal mango gravy. Before we get started, if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Note down or screenshot this recipe for your reference. So let's get started with the recipe. The main key ingredient of this gravy is the king of fruits, mango. Wash mango clean and slice it as shown. You can either scoop out the pulp and discard the skin or leave the skin as it is. I prefer mango gravy with skin and all its richness. Once you've sliced down the mangoes, examine each and every slice so that there are no guests in your mango. Now transfer them into your cooking bowl for boiling. Add some water and salt. Cook it covered on a low to medium flame for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, flip them upside down. Check if they are cooked well. If they aren't, then cook further for 2 minutes more and then turn off the flame. Meanwhile, let's prepare the gravy. Add coriander seeds, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, garlic, turmeric powder, dried red chilies or red chili powder, onions, grated coconut and water into your blender and blend everything well. Now transfer this ground masala into the cooked mangoes. Add additional water, add a piece of jaggery and cook it covered on a medium flame and bring it to boil for 2 minutes and then turn off the flame. Now let's do the tempering. Add some oil in a preheated pan, add mustard seeds and let them splutter. Next, add curry leaves and turn off the flame. Transfer this aromatic tempering into your gravy and your seasonal mango gravy is ready to serve. You can have this delicious gravy with boiled rice, white rice, dosas, idlis, neer dosas, kappa roti or anything of your choice. I hope you'll try this recipe and share it down in the comment section below. If you've tried any of my recipes, share pictures on Instagram and tag me there. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, to which links are provided in the description box below. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.